my name is Patty Hasner. Today we are going to make a cherry cheesecake that's gluten-free. And I have on the other side all the ingredients. You can write them down if you need to. I usually put the oven on at 325, so it's already preheated to it. So I found that it's easier to just buy the pre-made pie crust, graham style pie crust from Midel, gluten-free, okay? This will yield 2 pies unless you want a bigger pie and make it like overflow, but I don't want to do all that. So, okay, so I took the top off of the one already. All right, you're gonna need 3 cream cheese. So I'm gonna put that in. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Take the top here. Oh, great. Sorry. 3/4 cup of sugar. 2 eggs. 1, 2, and then a tablespoon of vanilla. About. Okay. After the pies are cooked, take about 40-45 minutes. You gotta look, make sure the top, if it's brown. I usually buy the cherry pie filler, and they have them at Jewel, depending where you live. This is Aldi brand. It's still gluten-free, so then you put it on after it cools off, and then you can, put it in the fridge for probably an hour or 2. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this up. It won't take that long. And then I'll only show you how I fill half, and then we'll do the other one. You just put it in the oven for like 40-45 minutes, like I said. And I don't like it filled all the way to the top. I don't want it coming out. So I usually fill it to about 3/4 of the pie, so that it has room to expand a little bit, and then when it cools off, you can put the cherries on top. And you don't have to have cherries. I mean, they have different brands. I think I have apple too. And here's what you could do too. So my husband likes. Take the apple pie filling, put it in there, and then afterwards pour on sea salt caramel, like an apple caramel pie cheesecake. Now, another thing you can do, say you don't want to make pies, you can do like the cupcakes and use gluten-free sugar cookies and put them at the bottom. That'll be like your graham cracker crust. Then put the cheesecake, just pour it in and then cook it. And then afterwards put the cherries on top. So it'll be almost like a cupcake. Usually let it stir for about 2 minutes. So good consistency. Okay, I'll just show you this. And you're gonna hear my dogs barking. I've tried this video like 3 times. Anyways, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let me see how much that does. That's probably about half of the cheesecake. And that's good. That's about what I want. Okay, and then you can have 2 pies instead of 1. Okay? Like I said, you have to watch the video. You have to watch it in the oven. It all depends on your oven. Everybody's oven's different, but so then I just put it in. It's a little more than 3/4 there, but that's okay too. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.